Hello everybody, how are you today? I hope you're happy and great and working so hard at home. Are you ready to sing? Rain, rain, go away, come back on another day. Daddy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Rain, rain, go away, come back on another day. Mommy wants to play. Rain, rain, go away. Very good. So today we're going to talk about the weather, especially about rainy days. A rainy day is when the sky is full of clouds that are dark and gray because they are full of water, so we can't see the sun. On rainy days, everything is wet, so we need to use an umbrella and rain boots or wellies to protect ourselves from the rain. That's why rainy days are perfect to stay at home. So today we're going to do an activity about rainy weather. So we are going to do an umbrella, and the materials that we need are any kind of glue, crayons, and pieces of paper, and a white sheet of paper. Let's start. So the first thing that we're going to do is that we're going to start folding one piece of paper. It can be a magazine cutout. So we're going to do it like this, pressing. Just like this. So when we finish folding, we're going to have something like this. And we need to fold it one more time. So once you have it like this, we're going to paste this part and this part together. Okay, let's do it. These are our lovely umbrellas. So now we're prepared for the rain. Bye!